In the last video, I gave you a long explanation of sometimes how if you move this one across here, it will look ugly. But if you move this one across here, it will look neater. The two answers will be this, will be in effect be the same, but one looks a lot neater than the other. So just bear in mind that if you move the right one across, one will look nice and neat. The other one will look ugly. So just bear that in mind. So now it's your turn. Try and make X a subject. So here the X appears in here and in here. Okay. So visualize it as this at the moment. Okay. Try and group all the X's on one side and group all the rubbish on the other side. So here, do you move this one across here, or do you move this one across here? Well, think about it, because if you move this one across here, you're going to end up with minus 5b over here. Okay, but if you move this one across here, okay, you've got a nice and neat 2e on this side. Nice and neat. Well, it's up to you. It doesn't matter which way you do it, but one will lead you to lots of negatives floating around. The other one's nice and neat. So have a go. Press pause and have a go. Okay, so make X a subject. Visualize it as this. You've got this plus this equals this minus this. I'm going to move this one across. Okay. We're going to take away 3x from both sides. So inside your mind, take away 3x from both sides. So it will be 2e and then 4ax minus 5b, take away 3x. Okay, hang on. Take away 3x. Okay, so now visualize it as this. This block equals this minus this minus this. This is classed as rubbish. It doesn't contain x. So let's add 5b to the other side. So take this 2e down and then add 5b on this side and then add 5b on the right hand side. So it will be this minus 3x. You see that? Look at this. Positive, positive. So it will still, in effect, get to the same answer, but one will have. This way is a lot neater, basically. Okay. So now visualize it as this. You've got a block here plus a block here equals this block here. Take away this block here. Look for what's in common. Factorize the x, basically. So here, x is in common here and here. So factorize the x. So x bracket 4a minus 3. Okay, on this side you have blah blah blah. Okay, and now visualize it as oh, you've got this bubble multiplying this bubble here. So divide both sides by this bubble here. So it will be 2e plus 5b over 4a minus 3 equals x. Okay, so there you've just made x a subject. Okay, next one. Okay, this one here. Make x a subject. So visualize as this block. Take away this block here equals this block here. Take away this block here. Try and get all the x's on one side. So the question is, do you move this one across here, or do you move this one across here? Okay, one will be ugly and one will be nice and neat. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so visualize this as this. If you take away, if you move this one across, you're going to end up with minus ay equals blah 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 blah. Here it's going to be ugly. So I'm going to add. Hang on, let me clear up. So I'm going to add this to both sides. Okay, so hang on. So inside your mind, add cx to both sides. So it will be this. Y, add cx. On this side it will be b. And now visualize it as this. Take away this, plus this, equals this. And now this one here is classed as rubbish. It doesn't contain x. So add a y to both sides. So you have x plus c x, and then b plus a y. Okay. And now look, all the x's are on one side here, all the rubbish on the other side. Now factorize. X is in common here, x is in common here. Yeah, to factorize this, you have to have the 1 in here. Because, hang on, because when you get this, multiply this, you're going to need a 1 in there. X times 1 will give you x. If you put a 0 here, x times 0, you're not going to have anything. And then this times this. So basically, you're only going to get this term if you put the 0 in here. So you need to put the 1. Okay, hang on. So let me just erase this. So you got to have the 1 in here when you factorize it, because or you can visualize this as 1 times x, and then you get the x out, take the x out, and then you've got the 1 left. Okay, you've got to visualize it like that. The 0 cannot be in there. Okay, anyway, on this side it would be this. A y here, and now visualize it as you've got this bubble here multiplying this bubble here. So divide both sides by this bubble here. It will be this x, and then b plus a y divided by 1 plus c x. And then it's ta-da, because it's done. Okay, so x is the subject.